Today I'm gonna be talking about the fastest car ever. This is it. Okay, put it. Oh no. So now we're just gonna. I'm just gonna put a finish line. This start line and finish line. So start gate. Blah 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 blah. Okay, over here. My end should be finished. Okay. Over. Just wait. Two over here. So then, now let's start. So I'm just going to change it to play mode. Saving. This way. What's this? What's this beauty? Wow. Okay, that was awkward. What the? Why is it? Okay, glitch. I don't even know why a glitch is happening. Why is a glitch already? I'm just gonna go in date mode now. Ah! Oh, I hate that sound. Duh. Okay. Oopsie, why I do that? Okay. Okay, now we just click a random thing. So I'm just gonna do goodie bag. Bloody. Now where's that thing? I love this thing. It's like so big. It's my biggest thing I have. Ding. I'm just gonna get jetpack. And then probably take off without me because it just goes faster than normal. Jetpack. Wait, no, the jetpack over here. Over here now. Wait, no. Get away. Where is my guitar? No, hey! What's wrong with me? Dirty girl, like. Bye. And thanks for watching. Bye.